Now for your National Weather Service forecast. Today becoming mostly sunny by afternoon. High 45 to 50. Wide north wind becoming southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour by midday. Tonight clear. Low 20 to 25. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour becoming north after midnight. Sunday mostly sunny. High 50 to 55. Wind becoming south at 10 to 20 miles an hour. For Sunday night increasing clouds. Low in the mid-30s. Monday partly cloudy. High 55 to 60. Tuesday mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Low 35 to 40 and high 55 to 60. Wednesday cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Low 40 to 45 and high in the mid-50s. Thursday partly cloudy. Low in the mid-30s and high 50 to 55. Good morning. This is Chance Storm with the weather conditions at 7 a.m. At Wichita Mid-Continent Airport, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 29 and the relative humidity was 82%. Winds were west at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.42 and steady. At Winfield, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 30 and the relative humidity was 81%. Winds were northwest at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.44 and rising. At Hutchinson, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 28 and the relative humidity was 88%. Winds were southwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.40 and rising. Around the region, Newton was cloudy and 28. Salina was cloudy and 29. Topeka was cloudy and 28. Kansas City was cloudy and 28. Emporia was cloudy and 28. Dodge City was clear and 18. Ponca City was cloudy and 33. Oklahoma City was cloudy and 33.
Here's Wichita's climate data for yesterday, Friday, February 18th. The high temperature yesterday was 39, with a low yesterday of 31. This gave an average temperature of 35, which is 1 degree below normal. There was a trace of precipitation yesterday. Total precipitation so far this month stands at 1.05 inches, which is 56 hundredths of an inch above normal. Total precipitation for the year is now 1.97 inches, which is 69 hundredths of an inch above normal. There were 30 heat and degree days yesterday, bringing the monthly total to 508 and the seasonal total to 2,918, which is 605 heat and degree days below normal. Some data for today through 7 o'clock this morning. The low temperature since midnight, 28 degrees, which occurred at 5:39 a.m. And there's been no precipitation today since midnight. The normal high temperature for today is 47, with a normal low of 25. The record high for today was 74, set in 1996, with a record low of 2 above zero, set in 1975. Sunset this evening is at 6:13, and sunrise tomorrow morning is at 7:14.
Hi, I'm Chance Storm. I would like to invite you to attend one of our Potter Talks this year. The National Weather Service will provide an informative and entertaining program at several locations across central and southeast Kansas. On Tuesday, February 22nd, we will be in Newton, Community Room, in the courthouse. Wednesday, February 23rd, we will be in Hutchinson, Stringer Fine Arts Center, Hutchinson Community College. Thursday, February 24th, we will be in Wellington, Raymond Fry Building. Monday, February 28th, we will be in Cottonwood Falls at the County Courthouse. Our programs start at 7 p.m. and we look forward to seeing you there. The current time is 7:18 a.m. Central Standard Time. Here is the weather briefing for Mid-America. Cloudy skies persisted over most of central and eastern Kansas overnight. Partial clearing worked into north-central Kansas early this morning. Temperatures ranged from the middle 20s to the lower 30s, with the warmer readings in the southeast. The wind was light from the north and eastern sections and light and variable in central Kansas. On the early morning weather maps, surface high pressure covered the central plains. The high will drift south into Oklahoma and Arkansas today. The weak surface trough of low pressure is forecast to move southeastward across Nebraska and northwest Kansas with little consequence. Skies will continue to gradually clear from west to east across the nation's heartland today. Mostly sunny conditions are expected by afternoon from Nebraska south to Oklahoma. Farther east, skies should become partly cloudy. Highs will range from the 30s in Iowa and eastern Nebraska to the 50s in southern Arkansas, Oklahoma, and southwest Kansas. The weak surface trough of low pressure will move east across eastern Kansas, Iowa, and Missouri tonight. Mostly clear skies are expected area-wide. Low temperatures will vary from the teens in Iowa, Nebraska, and northwest Kansas to the 30s in Arkansas and Oklahoma. Here is the forecast for selected cities around the region. For today, Kansas City partly cloudy, high in the lower 40s. St. Louis cloudy, high in the upper 30s. Springfield mostly cloudy, high in the mid-40s. Tulsa sunny, high in the upper 40s. Oklahoma City fair, high in the mid-50s. Dallas fair, high in the upper 50s. Dodge City sunny, high in the lower 50s. Denver sunny, high in the mid-40s. For tomorrow, Kansas City sunny, high in the lower 50s. St. Louis sunny, high in the upper 40s. Springfield partly cloudy, high in the lower 50s. Tulsa sunny, high in the upper 50s. Oklahoma City partly cloudy, high in the upper 50s. Dallas cloudy, high in the lower 60s. Dodge City partly cloudy, high in the mid-50s. Denver mostly cloudy, high in the mid-50s.